Mikos.
Sud. Then some bunog pa na.
Bunog.
Sit it with lukot, my favorite. Alright, atong tilawan mga kawagets na ay sud shell meat. My favorite lukot. Sea slug eggs. Let's try that. This is gonna be good.